using spark plug for Acura RDX 2015. So yan, naalis ko na yung ano guys, yung ignition coil. Tatanggalin na natin yung spark plug. So here's the spark plug for Acura RDX 2015. So I'm using NGK. Yeah, that's the part number. Alright, so this is the new one. We're gonna take the old one there. So using these 5/8. Alright. Here's the old one.
New lights.
Second video.
Oh.
On YouTube.
You on YouTube right now?
No. Just
can beat you. So do that.
You wanna beat my YouTube?
Of course.
This is your car. Yes guys, I'm just helping my friend, my BFF, replacing his spark plug. I'm just tightening it by hand first, and then we tighten it up. So later, I'm just gonna tell you guys how to take it off. Hmm? Yeah, you need to play.
I'm gonna kill it.
Okay.
Just play. Spray and then hose it off. Right? Yeah. That I know how to do.
Take it up.
Huh?
Take it up.
Do.
There. Yeah, we gotta put this back. Ignition coil. Go. There you go. There you go. Just thing. That's how you replace the spark plug up. Acura RDX. This is 2010, right?
2015.
Oh, 2015. My bad. All right,
Okay.
we're done here.
We done.
Yeah.
Now
When you guys take off the replace the spark plug for Acura RDX, there's like plug here, and plug here. You just press this thing, and then you will hear a click, and then you just pull it to take off the ignition coil. And then after you take off the ignition coil, I use this 518 spark plug socket with the extension of, I don't know, and just take it out and loosen it up, and then it's kind of hard over here because it's tight, so you just make your own way how to take it off. So now we already put the new spark plug and put it back the ignition coil. Now we're gonna plug this back in and we're done. There you go, you hear the click. The same thing you're gonna do in the other side of the engine. So I'll show you how to take it in the back. But it's kind of like the back is right here. I can see right here. Here, you just take this. I know there's no light. It's kind of like that. Here, right here. You just press this thing and then pull it, and then you take the screw out. Take the ignition coil out, and then you take the old spark plug, and that's it, and put it back in the reverse way. So that's how you replace the spark plug for Acura RDX 2015. Alright guys, and hope you guys like my video, and please like and subscribe, share, and make comment if you have something to tell. Anyway, I'm not a professional mechanic. I'm just a DIYer. I do it myself, but this car is for my friend. He asked me if I know how to replace the spark plug. I said I can do it. I have knowledge to do it. So here we go, we're done. And thanks for my friend here, but he don't like to show his face on YouTube, either me, because you guys already know me. And once again, this is DIY Tolits. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.